Well, hello everyone. Now, 2020 has been a year I'm sure we are all glad to see the end of, and this year we wanted to go out with a bang. So, for the first time ever, we are going to cook a whole turkey in our Char-Griller Acorn. Now, I started the day before by placing the turkey into a brine of apple juice, water, sugar, salt, oranges, cloves and ginger, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. I will list the amounts to use in the description below. The next day I removed the turkey from the brine, straining off as much of the liquid as I could and dried it thoroughly inside and out using a paper towel. For the stuffing, I used 3 apples, quartered and cored, and about a handful of prunes. You may need to use some more depending on the size of your bird. Next, I went ahead and crushed and peeled about 10 cloves of garlic, which I'm going to be putting underneath the skin. Being careful not to pierce the skin, I made 2 pockets on top of the turkey breast. Inside, I added my garlic cloves as well as a good tablespoon of ghee. You can also use butter for this. I then rub the whole outside of the bird in ghee. For the seasoning, I use this chicken herb mix which comes in a pre-done in a grinder. I love the combination of herbs and spices and I find that it gives a really nice flavour. I then tied the legs together with twine and the bird was ready to go. While I was preparing the turkey, my husband was outside preparing a Char-Griller Acorn with charcoal as well as cherry wood for smoking. Heat your Char-Griller up to 110 degrees Celsius or 220 degrees Fahrenheit and place your turkey on the grill. We also placed a foil tray with about a cup of water underneath the grill to catch any drippings. After 1 hour, increase the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep an eye on the skin of your turkey. When the wings start to brown nicely, cover them in foil to prevent them from burning and drying out. When the rest of the bird has colour you like, cover the remaining parts in foil as well. Turkey is cooking, prepare your side dishes. We had potatoes, the last beetroot from the garden, as well as carrots. These were drizzled in a little olive oil and sprinkled with rosemary, thyme, salt and pepper, and baked in the oven at 180 degrees or 375 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour. Using a meat thermometer, keep cooking your turkey until the meatiest part of the breast has reached an inner temperature of 77 degrees Celsius or 170 degrees Fahrenheit. For our 5 kilo or 11 pound bird, this took an additional 1.5 hours, taking the total cooking time to 2.5 hours. Placing the turkey into a tray, we covered it in foil and let it rest for 20 minutes. In the meantime, I took the drip tray and loosened the caramelized bits by adding a little water. You could also use white wine if you want. In a small saucepan, cook up 1 cup of chicken stock and add half a cup of the pan juices from the tray. You can use this sauce thin, or if you would like a thicker gravy, add a paste of 2 teaspoons of corn flour mixed with 2 teaspoons of water. Then gently cook until the sauce thickens. You are now ready to carve your turkey and serve it up. From my family and myself to all of you, we thank you for this year and wish you a very happy 2021.
Alright,